I'm on a mission to grow my hair to waist length, and I'm going to be taking you guys through everything that I use on my hair to get it to that waist length. Everything that I use is going to be simple, and you can also join me on this journey if you've been looking for a way to get your hair to grow longer. Welcome, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are debuting a new kitchen counter today. I finally moved, guys, out of my old place. This is my first official video in this new apartment, and I'm going to be doing a hair mask, a protein hair mask. You can see my ingredients on the counter. I'm going to be doing the classic hair mask: avocado, eggs, aloe vera, the moisturizing protein hair mask. I want to talk throughout this tutorial. So these are the ingredients. We have olive oil, avocado, 1 egg. I don't want to put 2 eggs. I want to use just 1. My aloe vera is a big one. I got this for 400 naira in the market, 400 naira at one of the markets. I'm going to be mixing the things here. Cut my aloe vera. I'm going to use not everything, just about this quantity. I'm just going to cut this into 4. My blender is over there. Let me get it. I'm going to just blend all of my ingredients, the aloe, the avocado, the protein. You guys already know the benefits of this mask, and if you don't know, this is one of the DIY hair masks we use to replenish moisture into the hair, to boost hair growth, to help reduce breakage, to make the hair healthier, and to improve the overall appearance and texture of the hair. It also helps to strengthen the hair strands and improve blood flow circulation throughout the hair and scalp. It contains antioxidants, it contains minerals, it contains vitamins that your hair needs. And of course, we know there has been the argument of whether or not you should be putting food in your hair. And as we know, avocado is food and egg is food. But I'm not here to contest with anybody. Just do what works for you. If you don't want to put food in your hair, that's fine. Just get products. But if you have used food in quotes and it has worked for you and you want to continue, that's also fine. And last but not least, our olive oil. I'm doing 5 tablespoons of Alright, so we're done. And to my finished mask, I'm going to add some amla oil. And that's it. It's ready to be applied to the hair. So let me go ahead and do that. This should not take long. You can apply this mask in two ways. You can apply it as a pre-poo, meaning apply before you shampoo, or you can apply it as a deep conditioner, meaning you apply it after you shampoo condition. Just using mine as a pre-poo today. Spray water all over my entire head because I'm trying to avoid grabbing the spray bottle after I start applying mask. Ooh, it's so thick. So I'm applying the mask to my roots first. Oh my god, I like this method. This is the first time I'm doing roots first before I do the rest of my head. Usually I apply in sections, but today, I like this method. This method will ensure that it gets to where it gets to, that's the product here, the deep conditioner, pre-poo. So this method will ensure that it gets to where it needs to get to before I start applying to the rest of my hair. And that's it, guys. I'm going to put a plastic cap. I think I have a shower cap, so I'm going to put a shower cap over my head. But that's basically it. I'm going to let this sit for hopefully 30 minutes. If not 30 minutes, 45 minutes, but it won't pass 45 minutes. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell beside so you'll be notified whenever I post new content. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. I love you. Everyone, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up to help with the engagement here on YouTube. And if you have comments, if you have questions, leave them down below and interact with yourselves. Thank you guys. I'll see you in my next video.